guys, this is Amish and we are watching the coding flight. Today I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll going to tell you how we can create a calculator app. In that there will be addition, subtraction, multiplication and division and also percentage. So let's get started with our app. So first we'll click on start new project and name the project as calculator. Now open that project. Now, go in the layouts and drag vertical arrangement. Make its height, not height, width to be 100% and its height. So now, what we'll do is, now change the vertical arrangement height to be 30%. 30%. Now, I'll drag one table arrangement. Make the columns to be 4, height to be around 70% and width to be 100%. You can change this as your need. Now from the user interface, drag to label and also now go in vertical arrangement. Make the align vertical to be not align vertical. Make this align horizontal to be right and align vertical to be bottom or center. Yeah, bottom. So now rename the first one as string and the second one as answer label. Now go in this labels and remove their text. And also you can change the background color. So I'll provide the this go to custom and here write the color. I'll provide this in the description box. So now go in the table and now from the layout drag buttons and also change their text to be first according to first one will be C. You can make the background color same custom and paste same. Now do this same weight. Now change the text color to red. Now you can do this same with rest of the them. So now what I have done is I have opened done this whole and here are different buttons. So this is C for clear. This is the add plus or minus. This is percentage divide and like that. This is for erase. This is for decimal and this is for is equal to. Now and also I have renamed them. So guys, what we have to now do is we have to set variables. So drag this and change the name to be first. Now and drag from the text, drag a text box and now copy this and paste. And this to be second, this third, not third, it should be operator. Now also from the procedure, drag this one procedure, this do one and change the this to be set input. Like now set string, which is the question. So we have to set its text to From the this text drag join, and from this settings option make it 5 strings total. That means add 3 more. Now first get global 1, then copy this and paste it here. Now do the same with rest, and instead of this 2 1 make it second. So now do this like this. Now when button 1 dot click, and button I have named the letter 1 as button 1. Now drag from the controls if and then, and not if and then, if then and else. Not this one. You can delete this one. Now from the text drag this compare text and make it is equal to. Now copy this text box and paste it in the second one, and in the first one set global operator. This get global operator. Now set, what we have to do is then set global operator to join in the first, as it is the first, so first, and the text box and the text will be 1, text 1. Now and in the else option we'll make global second, set global second to, copy this and paste here and set it global second, this. Now go in procedures and drag this call settle input. Now here is the code for button 1. When we will click button 1, then in the string 1 will be there. Now we have to do the same with rest. So now for the button 3, do this and change, instead of 1 make it 3 here, also 3 here. Copy and do it same here, button 5. Now I have done the same with button 0, 1, 2 and whole this. Now what we have to do is when not multiply, when a decimal button or dot is click, and remember that I have done this till 9 only right now. Now when button uh, is click, copy this, set it button dot, and here make it dot, or you can say it decimal. Now here when this multiply button dot click, now here we are going to do code of this right now. Now when button multiply dot click, then set in variables, set global operator, and here the text to be multiply. Now also from the procedures drag this call set input. Now here this was for multiply, you have to copy this and paste and do this for multiply, addition, subtraction and division. Some and in divide make this symbol of divide. Now copy it again and paste. Remember that I haven't done this for this percentage. I am doing this for addition, subtraction and multiplication. And device also. Now go in the button of percentage and make when percentage button dot click. So the percentage code will be little bit long. So now drag if then, and from the logic make drag this is equal to, and from the variable drag get global operator is equal to text to be plus. Now then answer label will be set answer text to be this. First drag one from the maths, first drag this addition. Now here copy this global operator and put it in the first one. Now in the second one again go to the maths. Now drag this multiplication one and paste it here. Now again copy this get global operator, paste it here and make it global first, and not in, yeah, here in global first, not here, not here, and here make the set global second. Now go to again maths and drag this divide one and set global first divided by 100. So now it is a formula that in this when someone write that 5% plus 100, then what it will do is first it will divide the first value with 100, then multiply with the second value and add in the first value, which will give the percentage of the given number. Now copy this and instead of plus make it minus, and the formula will be same. Now copy this again and paste. Now make this to be multiply. Now here. So now in this when multiply for example 50% of 100. So in that there will be a slight change in this. What we have to do is we'll take this multiply 1, attach it here. Now this will be the when the first example 50 divided by 100, then what number will come, it will multiply it with the second number which will give the 50% or what is the percent to be fine. So now delete this, and this also acts as the formula if multiplied is press. Now again copy this and paste it here. Now we have to, instead of this we have to do for divide. So now make this divide. Now in divide what we'll do is it would be instead of 100 make it second number multiplied by 100. That means that for example 100 divided by 50, 100% divided by 50, wait a second. For example, 50 divided by 100%. Then it will divide first and second number and then multiply it by 100. So this was also a formula for the divide option. So now what we'll next do in this, will in this when percentage will click, as it was I tested it right now and it was creating a trouble. That's why we'll make is equal to button visible off when this will press, when percentage will be pressed. So go to here and drag a button is equal visible to, and make it false. Now I'll copy this if again and paste here. Now make it second and is equal to here nothing. So now what we'll do here, if someone press 50% or something like that, then we'll simply take the first number and divide it by 100, as percentage is 100, this, and there is no need for this. So we can delete, not the whole. Yeah. Now we'll also make one variable. The variable name will be percentage, and drag one this text box, and here make the text to be percent. Now when plus or minus button, this means if it is written 10, then it will make it minus 10. So now copy this if and del and make it else. If then else, delete this whole. This also. Now from the text, drag compare text this one and make this is equal, and make it copy this variable and paste it here, and it will be global operator is equal to, copy this text box and make it blank, leave it blank. Now the global first, drag this here and make this global first will be negative. That means if it is positive, negative first, this means if it is positive, then it will make negative this meg, and make copy the, not copy, copy this and make this here and here, and else if it is negative, then it will make it positive and it should be second. And now from the procedure called set input, so now our two things is left, which is clear button and the button equal button. And also go in designer and drag one notifier here. Now go in this here block section. Now first we'll do for the clear button. When button clear dot click, then set equal button equal this visible to be true, as we also make it visible again, visible true. And when global set this, copy this, paste it here, delete this, make the drag one text box this. Now copy this, paste it here, make this second, again copy this and paste, make this operator, then set answer labels text to be text, copy this text box and paste it here. Now and also make call procedure here. Now clear button is ready. We'll do code for the is equal to button. So when is equal to button dot click, then drag one if then option this here, and now from the logic drag not, and from items drag is empty, and from variables drag get global second. Now, if this global second is not empty, this means if it is not empty, then there will be one more condition, and that will be if and then drag this, copy this, paste it here, make it global operator is equal to plus. Now, when it is plus, then set answer.text to be get global first plus. As here in this there is plus, so here also plus, and make it plus by the first number. The second. For example, if it is there 10 plus minus 10, then it will add first number and second number, which will and write the that it will be 0, like this. Now you have to copy this and paste, and here instead of plus now make minus, and drag from the maths, drag this minus and make paste it here. Now this is for minus, copy this, paste it here, do this for multiply, copy the multiply here and paste. Now then we'll multiply first number by second number. Now do the same as divide. So here there some keyboards do not has divide, so I'll provide divide this text in the description. And here this is for divide, and here this first number divided by second number. So this was little bit basic, and if someone writes that um, second number, if the second number is 0, for example 7 divided by 0, then it will show that it cannot divide by 0 or something like that. So for that, here what is happening, okay, make make this is equal to here. Now here drag second here, and if the second one is equal to 0, then set do not equal to, we will do this only if it is not equal to. So if not equal to, then set answer.text to this divided first number divided by second number. So now here will be one else also. Now we'll call notifier here, which we drag now. So notifier show alert, and alert will be from that can't or cannot divide by 0. So here this now a little bit code is now left. Oh, I forgot about the button of the this button. So now go in the variable, drag this set and paste it here. It is in this then of the first not empty global second one, and make this set global first to, it will be the answer one dot text, this one answer dot text, this one. Now again, now copy this and paste. Make this operator, global operator, and now copy a text box, paste it here, and there is no need of any text. Remove the text. Copy the same and make it operator this second, global second. Now here I thought all is done, but I forgot about the button of the cut, which mean I have named it cut. It is this button. Let me show. It is erase button. This one. This erase button. So go in the block section and when now here, and what we'll do now, we have to make this button equal to be visible. For that, what we'll do is here, I'll go to here and now drag set button is equal to, which is equal to button to be visible, and make this true. Now what you have to do is drag one if then condition here. Now you can now you have to from the text drag is empty. What is empty? The global second. That means if global second is empty, then what we have to do is this. So now here, if it is empty, then we'll again use an if then option and copy this is empty one and paste it here, and make this instead of global second, make it global this global operator. Now copy and paste, make it global first, and in the settings option also make else. Now we have to leave this empty in the then, as when global first is empty we will not do then. If global, this will mean that if global first is not empty, then we'll get here global first. Then from the text here drag this segment text start and length, and copy this global first, paste it here, and from the go to maths, drag this number box, make the text to be 1. Now make the start to be number box 1, and go to the this maths and make it. Now go to the maths and drag this minus option in the length, and from the text drag this length and copy this or here this and make it global first to be minus. You can copy the number box this and let it be 1 itself. Now here click on this and make it else. Now in the else we'll do is set this global operator to and drag a number box and attach it like this. Now go in this first this if else if then and drag one, make it else, and copy the set global operator, paste it here, remove this number box, copy this segment text start length 1, make it global to be second, and make this also to be second. So now what we have to now do is drag set input here. Remember that it is not in any of the if and del option. So now here A code is ready, so let's test it. So I have tested the app and it is well working. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And in the description I'll also provide the AIF file of this app. Thank you.